Hi everyone! I have the Cricut Lucky Charm Mystery Box and I'm going to show you what's included in it. It does have a brand new Soothing Sea Cricut Cutie. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. I'll show you that first. So as always, everything you want to purchase is in the description under this video, including discount information. Thank you if you use my affiliate link. It does earn me a very small commission at no extra charge to you, and it helps me continue doing those amazing giveaways in my Facebook group. So let's get started. And here's the cutie. Isn't it gorgeous? The color is absolutely beautiful. Really, really nice. And a first time release. We've never had it before. Can see how pretty it is. If you want it, make sure you don't hesitate. Gorgeous colors like this go super fast. I love it. I'm so excited to have this one. Absolutely gorgeous. And it's called Soothing Sea. So let's see what else is included. Our first item is 3 12 by 12 light grip mats. This is my favorite mat. I use it the most, the light grip. It's really great, and you get 3, not 1 or 2, 3 of them in this mystery box. Next, we have a 50 sheet pack of 8.5 by 11 printable vinyl. Amazing. I use it for labels. I use it for stickers. I use it so much. I also have the laminate sheets that are sold separately from Cricut, and I use that over this printable vinyl when I make my stickers. Love this. And it's 50 sheets. Amazing. Then we have a Cricut tote bag. This one is 13.5 by 14. It's the medium size. Terrific. You can use this with infusible ink, sublimation, DTF. You can use it so many ways. And if you only do iron-on, HTV, you can use it for that too. So there's the tote bag. We have infusible ink transfer sheets. And you can see that this new packaging says sublimation transfer sheets because that's what they are, sublimation ink on pre-printed sheets. This one is green. You have 2 sheets of 12 by 12, and it also includes a sheet of butcher paper. Then you have infusible ink, again 12 by 12, 2 sheets. This color is warm gray, and again, it does include the butcher paper. Let's put our cutie here. Then we have a 2-pack of 12-ounce Cricut mugs. You can use these again with infusible ink or sublimation. It doesn't work with Cricut DTF because that is meant for fabric. For hard surfaces like a mug, you need UV DTF. It's a completely different product. So we have that. And last but not least, we have 2 Cricut ball caps. Amazing, amazing. These would be so fun to decorate with your infusible ink or sublimation or DTF. You can use these and make some really cute Easter caps would be fun, or spring or summer. Just gorgeous. And you have 2 in the mystery box. So this is the Lucky Charm Cricut Mystery Box. As I mentioned in the beginning, purchase links and discount info are in the description right under this video. Don't hesitate so you don't miss this beautiful Soothing Sea Cricut Cutie. I hope you're going to enjoy this mystery box. Thank you for watching.